Unless you don't want to monetize your channel, you should completely avoid making any of the 3 types of YouTube channels or videos I'll discuss in this video. I'm sure you've already seen some videos that show you how they made a faceless YouTube channel or video content using just a few AI content creation tools and some simple steps. These videos typically demonstrate how to use AI script writing tools such as Chat GPT-3, text-to-speech software, text-to-video generators, AI video editors, and maybe some AI animation tools. Although these tools are very powerful and the methods they've shown can help you create any type of video, there is a very important issue with creating such types of faceless YouTube videos, and that issue is monetization. I'll discuss 3 types of faceless YouTube videos that you shouldn't create using AI tools and how to improve upon the AI content creation techniques that you already know so that you can produce quality content that will get monetized on YouTube. The first type of faceless YouTube video that you should not try to create is any video that appears to be low-effort content. By low-effort content, I mean generic content that is obviously created through a mindless, templated, or mass production process. This doesn't refer to the video's picture quality or the AI voiceover software used. Rather, it refers to the overall production process, and also taking into account the value that the video provides to viewers. This usually includes image or scrolling text slideshows, with low quality or no audio narration. Let me give you an example of low-effort content. If you go to Chat GPT and ask GPT-3 to give you a YouTube video idea, write a topic. Then write a YouTube video script, and then you copy and paste the script into a text-to-speech software and an AI text-to-video generator, and then upload and publish the video on YouTube. You may end up with a channel filled with fluff or garbage videos if you repeat this process for many videos. In the eyes of YouTube, you're really not creating valuable content. Any video that YouTube considers as low-effort content may get demonetized eventually. The reason for this is that such videos offer little to no value to both viewers and advertisers. Even if you manage to monetize such videos, they are very likely to get demonetized on the second inspection. How can you avoid getting into such a situation? Always make sure that you're actively involved in every step of production. Edit the script as much as possible, and observe the content from the viewer's point of view at every stage of production. This will help you guide the AI tools to produce really good content that add as much value to your videos as possible. The second type of YouTube video that you should avoid making is content that appears to be reused, repetitive, or copied. For instance, let's say I start a channel that makes motivational quotes or videos by cutting out clips from speeches made by popular figures. There's a high likelihood that someone else is creating exactly the same kind of content presented in a very similar pattern as I do on my channel. Because such content appears on 2 main channels, as anyone can copy quotes from anywhere on the internet. If I don't switch things up a little bit by presenting my content in a unique style, I may end up getting demonetized for reused content. Another situation where this could happen is when the videos on my channel look very similar. For example, if the videos are edited in the same style and manner with the same length, visual content, and overall production. This usually happens whenever there's a software used to mass produce videos with pre-made templates. You need to bear it in mind that YouTube doesn't appreciate a situation where the same video or very similar content is monetized multiple times on the same channel or across different channels. So, make sure to provide your audience with fresh and engaging content that's clearly different from every other video on your channel. This will not only help you avoid demonetization but also attract more viewers to your channel. The third type of faceless YouTube video that you should completely avoid making is compilation videos or videos that are on loop. Examples of these types of videos include rain videos, nature sounds, white noise, background noise, royalty-free music, and meme compilations, among others. These types of videos are usually considered reused content by YouTube. They're very difficult to monetize. As I said earlier, if a particular type of video appears significantly across multiple channels on YouTube without any clear variation in the video contents, YouTube may only monetize a few of the channels that created such content first. The channels that come later may not be monetized. This explains why some of the big channels that make these types of videos are several years old on YouTube. A quick search for these videos on YouTube would reveal that the channels that produce these contents are not recently created. To avoid demonetization, you need to create original and engaging content that is not overly repetitive. If you're interested in creating compilation videos or videos on loop, try to put your own spin on them by adding unique elements that make them stand out from other similar videos on YouTube. This will increase your chances of monetization and help you grow your channel's audience. In conclusion, it's important to keep in mind that creating faceless videos with AI, just for the sake of it, or with the sole aim of going viral and making money won't necessarily lead to success on YouTube. You may struggle to get views or subscribers and may be disappointed when your application for the YouTube Partner Program is rejected. So, how can you actually create high-quality professional YouTube videos that can be monetized on the platform? Check out the video on your screen right now for a step-by-step guide on creating quality content for YouTube. Thanks for watching.